In this video, let me show you a review about the Empiriya Anti-Snoring. It is a scam or legit. The Empiriya Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece, also known as the Empiriya Comfort, is a mandibular advancement device designed to alleviate snoring by gently repositioning the lower jaw forward. This adjustment aims to keep the airway open during sleep, reducing the vibrations that causes snoring. The pros of this device include a custom fit using a boil and bite method, allowing users to mold the device to their teeth for a better fit. It is made from BPA-free materials, ensuring safety and comfort. User testimonials report significant reduction in snoring and improved sleep quality. However, there are some cons. Some users experience an adjustment period with initial discomfort or jaw soreness during the first few nights of use. There are also size concerns and limited clinical evidence, while user feedback is generally positive. There is a lack of peer-reviewed clinical studies validating the device's efficiency. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.